Here. Did it kick back hard? Pretty hard. Did it kick back hard?
That kicks back hard.
That sound compared to mine is louder. Why are you putting it in the ground?
Oh, you're aiming at the red,
Ball.
the orange ball out there?
A ball is easy to shoot.
I just hit right, a little bit right in front of it. Can you shoot over there, son? I'm still. I need.
Aim.
Like we hog hunting.
Oh! So
You're close.
Good try, Nick.
I don't see it.
practice makes perfect. You aren't gonna shoot that gun loud.
Do you see it, Dustin? Yeah. You hit it? No, I'm hitting right in front of it still.
I hit it. I moved it a little bit because mine doesn't shoot very hard. Okay, yeah, that's good.
Did I hit it? No. You're behind it.
Did you just blow it up?
Orange thing. Shoot that orange thing in the...
Behind it.
behind
In
it.
front of it.
Oh, wait. What?
Behind. Am I still behind it or? No, yeah, that one was in front of it. Now I gotta find something to do. Might need to move it. Nick, finger off the trigger. Hey, throw it out there on the dirt.
That was real close, Nick.
I know. That one wasn't me. Second one wasn't me. That was really
Pick it up. There you go.
Alright, so then I'm actually aiming for the fish.
Did I shoot it?
That shit wasn't even tight.
Did I shoot it? Yay!
Ooh, Nick. That was close.
No smoke. One shot and reload. That's what I have to do. Man, why can't I have a gun like that? Boom, 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 boom. Aw. Are you tired?
Oh no. That sucker will kick the heck out of my shoulder.
When I first shot this gun, I was like, ooh. I don't know how it is. Okay, yeah.
See, I think I'm so far off now because this damn thing wasn't even tight. I thought it was tight.
Ah!
What happened, Nick?
I pushed this thing so hard.
Alright, let's go get you one. Black one.
Ah, I can't believe I don't have no freaking fires and nothing.
Do they even know where it is?
I think I got mine sighted. We're going to try it again.
I think Dustin blew it away. He either blew it away or blew up.
Hopefully this one gets run out of here. It said find it or leave it. Watch, we're gonna leave. He can bring it out there. What is he doing?